Hey guys and gals, welcome back to the channel where today we have an exciting update about our GTR turbo conversion project. So you can see some work has been done. So now instead of the twin turbos, we have this beautiful big new single turbo, and it is pretty much fully installed. It just needs to be dyno tuned and tested. I don't know about you, but this is looking pretty impressive to me. So let us know what you think in the comments below. Might be able to see a little bit better there. So it's pretty tight tolerances as far as space goes, you can probably see. But it all has fit in there and hopefully everything will play nice. Alright guys and gals, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and feel free to share and comment below. See ya!